Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, and it is the beginning of the new Dollar General clearance sale for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And my 5 off of 20 gain was expiring today, so I decided to go ahead and do a 5 off of 20 gain deal, and also get a $5 P&G printout on my receipt for my next trip. I did choose these fabric softeners. They're the very large ones. They are not ringing up at sale price $60, and of course they charged me $2.30 for each one of them. These are huge gain sprinkles. They are $9.95, and she rang them out to be, let's see here real quick, $4.97. So my total came up to over 20, like right at 20 and change, I believe. And my $5 came off, and this is what I paid. $16.44 before tax, and then you have to understand that I got a $5 print off coupon, so it was like spending $10.44 for all of these gain products. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So I decided to go ahead and do my $5 on this deal. I have 3 of the Centrums. They are $5. I had $4 coupon for each one of them. These swabs are ringing up for $1.12 a piece. I did have $1 off too, so one of them was. Then we have this athletic tape. I like to put that in my first aid. And we have the big one. This one was the one that threw me for a loop, because it ended up being $1. Keep flipping my receipts around. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My hands aren't working this morning. It's super, super cold. They rang up for $1.57. And I actually thought that I had a $3 digital flipped, and I did not, so I did not get the overage that I thought I was going to get on this bid. I went ahead and got the cheese. They are not ringing up, so that had to be adjusted. So the things on both of these transactions that needed to be adjusted were, all of these gain products had to be adjusted. The cheese had to be adjusted. Other than that, everything else rang up normal price. And I'm going to show you what I spent on this last transaction. With the $5 from the P&G, it was $4.16 before tax. That was 10 items and a savings of $19. So not the best deal in the world, but you know what? These Swab Professionals coconut and vanilla, that sounded like something that I would like to use. So I thought, hey, that'll stock me up for a couple of months, and I'm pretty happy with that. I love coconut, I love vanilla, and since I've gotten my hair cut, I'm really not needing the super special shoes anymore. So there you go. There's 2 transactions. Fantastic. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're like right at our 20 mark with change. We're going to go on. I just wanted to make certain that I got that gain deal because, you know, always need fabric softener and stink pellets. So go have a good day, and I'll probably do a couple more on the way to work because I saw some really good overage deals with like Mucinex and such as that. Y'all have a great day. Hugs from a distance. Be safe if you go out, and shop, shop, shop if you can.